Are you looking for accuracy, consistency, repeatability, confidence, and most importantly, results from a balancer? Chances are you already own that balancer. It just needs an upgrade. Are you experiencing any of these balancing problems? Does the balancer ask for more weight during a check spin? Do you have difficulty getting some wheels to zero on your balancer? Do your customers sometimes complain about vibration problems even after you've balanced their wheels? Does it seem like your balancer just isn't as accurate as it used to be? Are there certain wheels that are just more difficult to mount and balance than most? Do you spend too much time struggling with 8 and 10 bolt light truck tires? If any of these conditions exist in your shop, then Haweka has the solution for you. In traditional balancing, we use a standard back cone mounting system that has been around since the 1960s. A cone is mounted on the balancer shaft and the wheel assembly is positioned on the cone. A clamping hood secures the wheel in place for the balancing operation. Alternatively, a front cone mounting system is used either to prevent scratching alloy rims or when back cone mounting is not possible due to size or interference problems. When we do a check spin on back or front cone mounted wheels, the balancer sometimes calls for more weight. This is especially true if we dismount the wheel from the balancer and remount it, or if we simply turn the wheel on the balancer shaft. Why does this happen? Sometimes it's simply due to worn parts. The cone and shaft on any balancer wear out over time as a result of repetitive friction between these two parts. The hole in the center of the cone gets larger, and the shaft gets smaller, creating an off-center mount. A quick and easy solution is to replace these wear items. Ask your Haweka distributor about Haweka's full range of replacement shafts and cones. Haweka's precision manufacturing and superior hardening processes provide the most accurate and long-lasting parts on the market. A better solution to all balancing problems is to revisit the hardware that we are using. Look at any vehicle on the road. Not one of them uses a cone to mount the wheel on the hub. They are all mounted on a cylindrical hub pilot. Yet we mount the wheel on a balancer using a cone. Furthermore, you won't find a clamping hood securing a wheel to the vehicle. Wheel nuts are used to provide even, consistent clamping force. Yet why do we use a clamping hood to secure the wheel to the balancer? Can we be sure that the wheel is centered on a balancer in the exact same way it will be centered when it's back on the vehicle? What would work better? The ideal solution is a system that imitates the precision centering of the cylindrical hub pilot and the clamping consistency of the lug nuts. Haweka's patented duo collet design provides precision centering for a range of hub hole diameters, eliminating the use of traditional cones. 3 duo collets are required to center the 54 to 85 millimeter diameter range, covering the vast majority of passenger and small light truck applications. Once the wheel is mounted on the balancer, we clamp it in place using Haweka's flange plate system. The plate number, bolt number, and hole number required to do the job are located in a vehicle application chart. The bolts are installed into the appropriate holes on the flange plate, and the complete unit is installed on the balancer shaft. A patented Haweka quick nut can be used to secure the entire assembly in place. Balancing this assembly will produce accurate, consistent, repeatable results that you can have confidence in. Check spinning this assembly produces the same results every time. If time is a concern, Haweka now offers the quick plate. This product does the same job as the flange plate without the hassle of checking the chart and installing the bolts in the plate. The only thing your technician needs to know is whether it is a 4, 5, or 6 stud wheel. A variety of heads are also available to satisfy every bolt seat configuration. Setup is easy and quick. The quick plate system, combined with the duo collets, will also produce accurate, consistent, repeatable results that you can have confidence in. For larger wheels, such as those found on 3/4 ton and larger light trucks and vans, a precise set of centering sleeves and flange plates are available to mount them on the balancer. Another balancing accessory that can increase productivity in your shop is the Ergo lift. This lift can reduce physical strain and injuries associated with repetitive lifting of heavy tire and rim assemblies. Additional benefits include reduced wear and damage to your balancer shaft and mounting accessories. Whether your balancer is old or new, you can improve its performance with Haweka products and achieve the best possible results. Contact your local Haweka distributor for more information.